Hey guys, don't mind the hair. It's been humid recently, but anyways, so this is probably gonna be strictly for my Discord, and then I will post another um video about on my YouTube channel. So be sure to check that out. That should be also linked along with this video. This may also be part of my YouTube channel. So, what's up, guys? I have been away doing stuff. But most importantly, been getting a new PC system so I can do more online jazz as well as makes video for my YouTube channel. And for my Discord, I will be doing proper art, digital artwork, and just like general artwork, and live streaming, podcasting, and all that other jazz. So um, I'm gonna now reveal the teaser that I teased in my Discord channel if you haven't picked it up already. So here we go. So this is the PC that I have been working on. You basically can see everything here, but it. So I haven't actually removed this yet, the thing, because I've been waiting for a grand reveal. Just like that. Now hopefully I ain't gonna get it dirty, and then I'll screw on these individual nubbins here. And then after this, I will give you a little bit of a tour and what still needs to be done. As you can see, there's already a few things that need to be done if you're a computer geek. I have already turned this on already a few times, but basically, just to test the cords and whatnot. So here it is, and I'll turn it on. And then by doing that, that's why I'm not receiving power yet. Take two. I have turned everything off, and then I took everything out, and then I turned on the power, so now this should have power running through it when I plug it in. And then when I flip the switch, the motherboard light should go on, which it is. And then show you everything else. I flip this, and pretty lights should show up, along with a couple beeps. One long beep and two other beeps signifying that I have no memory card. I still don't. As of this point, I'm just waiting for them. So, yeah. Try and go close and see all the specs of my computer without the glare. So, yeah. That's my computer. If you want to see all the specs of this, I will have them posted. So, also should either be in the description below or on my Discord, I guess. So a couple of things. If you have any suggestions on other memories, SSDs, hard drives, cable management, even graphics cards, let me all know all that jazz in the description below, or even like monitors and cables, as I am hoping to deck out my computer more in the future. I'm hoping for it to have three monitors, so I could do one for gaming videos, and just like the main content, the other to see the chat, um, or recording my recording stuff, and if I'm doing both, have the third one, um, doing streaming. So do one for recording, one for streaming, and the first one is for the overall gaming. Or even if I just like went to game and not record it or do anything, I have all three monitors. I can just do solely gaming. So yeah, I already have the plans for the right graphics card, the right whatever, but of course, I am looking to stockpile some more, some, what do you call that? Parts, I guess, stockpile parts, so I can, if, you know, if I want to either make a new computer or if I want to change something out on an old computer, I could do that. So, again, let me know all that stuff in the comments below. It's like really humid, guys. But I know I haven't been around for a while. Yeah, I haven't been active. Have been putting out much content and whatever. I've been slouching, but hopefully once I get my computer done, I will um, I will get um, I'll get you guys more content and hopefully reaching my main goal of daily uploads. So upload daily stuff. Hopefully, I want to at least try for weekly, and then progressively daily. So, um, yeah. Again, subscribe. Put all your thoughts, whatever, really helps me out. For all your comments, whatever. Um, and yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Peace.